student from the Software Engineering Technology Study Programs. Today we are honored to interview one of the lecturers from Electrical Engineering Study Programs. In this interview, we will discuss the importance of English communication skill in preparing students for the global career market.
Appreciate your time. Thank you for joining us today, sir. Without further ado, let's begin our interview. To start our discussion, many students are preparing themselves to enter an increasingly competitive international job market. Therefore, we'd like to begin with a general question. Question 1. Why do you think English communication skills are important for students who want to work in international or multinational companies?
I think it's very important. When you're working in abroad, your boss is not Indonesian. Your boss is, for example, from India, from Pakistani, from Japan, from Korea. Sure, they cannot speak Indonesian, but you must speak each other. So that why English is very important. Because if you can speak English, you can communicate with everyone in the world. You can speak with the Englishman, you can speak a man from United States, and then you can speak with the Japanese people, Chinese people. So that I think it's very important if you have a capability to speak English, because English is the international language. English is a universal language.
It's a very insightful explanation. Thank you for sharing your perspective. Now that we've discussed the importance of English in the workplace, let's move to our next question. I'll hand it over to my teammate.
Thank you. As technology continue to connect people from different countries, people are looking for graduates who can communicate effectively. Based on your experience, what English communication skills are the most important for graduates entering today's workplace?
First of all is conversation. You must have skill conversation in English, because if you don't have a skill of conversation, you will difficult to speak and communicate with another people from another country. Yeah. So that the communication and conversation, you have be capable. You have capable to speak with the good conversation. Number 2 is about presentation. You have to have presentation skills so well. I think if you have a capability to presentation with English very well, you can presentation to anybody. Or for example, if you working to a multinational company with the management come from another country, so that you have to presentation of your work. You cannot presentation with Indonesia. You have to presentate with English, absolutely, because they don't understand what you speak if you speak in Indonesia. They only understand if you speak in English. So that presentation skill in English, I think, is very important. Number 1 is conversation. Number 2 is presentation skill. I think.
Now that just learned about the essential communication skill need in today's workplace. Now let's continue with another important topic. I like pass the interview back to my teammate.
Thank you. Although many students study English at university, some of them still feel nervous when using it in professional situations. So we'd like to know your opinion about this challenge. Question 2. What are the most common mistakes that graduates make when speaking English in job interviews or professional environments?
I think number 1 is about grammar. Many people have a mistake when they speak with the right grammar. Sometimes their grammar is wrong, false, but it's okay. I think it's okay. All of we much of learning. I'm still learn. You still learn. Just it's okay if grammar is not very well. So that, but it's very important. It's about confidence. So you must have a confidence to speak English. You must have confidence. If you have confidence, you will speak English. Whatever you wrong or right, yeah, believe that. So you still learn. You still in study. So that mistake is it's okay. But something you must have is about confidence. To speak English, you must have confidence.
That's a valuable insight. It reminds us that confidence and preparation are just important as grammar. Thank you for explaining that. Those are some important points for all students to remember. Let's move to our next question. I'll hand it over to my teammate once again.
Thank you. Many students might now be wondering how they can improve the English before entering the workplace. Question: what will you recommend students to do improve their English communication skill before they graduate?
For easy way, you can start from your hobby. Maybe, what is your hobby? For example, my hobby is watching the movie from box office, from Hollywood, and then we can see what they speak and learn what they speak. What is the grammar they speak? So like that. So we can start from something easy, like what is your hobby? Relation with English, for example, your hobby is watching movie from abroad, and then when you watching a movie, they speak with English. You can learn from their conversation in English, so that you can indirectly you can learn English from your hobby. That is very simple example like that.
We have compared many useful tips throughout this discussion. Before we wrap up, let's hear one final message from our lecture. I like hand it back to my teammate for the last question.
Thank you. We've learned many valuable lessons throughout the interview. Before we conclude, I'd like to ask one final question. Question 5. In your opinion, how can strong English communication skills help someone succeed and compete in the global job market?
Very significant. It's very significant. If you can speak English, that you can take over the world. If you have a capability to speak English, you can communicate with everyone in the world. You can speak with Japanese, you can speak with United States people, you can speak with Europe people, you can speak with the Chinese people, you can go to work abroad, not just in Indonesia. Even you can studying in Harvard University, for example, Princeton University. If you can speak English, there are many capability. You can do what you want. I think is it with the English. You can studying in abroad. You can work abroad. You can communicate with everyone, many people in the world. If you have capability in English, I think English is a language of universe, national language, so that you must have a capability to speak English, so you can go international, I think. And you can up your career if you have capability in speak in English. I think it's very important.
We can also travel abroad too, right?
Yes, maybe you will travel in Hawaii and Japan or in Jeju. I think Jeju is the place of the Korean or the Bahrain or the Qatar. You can travel to many countries But if you speak to them with Indonesian, they can understand what you mean. So that you have to speak English to them so that they can understand what you mean.
It's truly inspiring. Thank you so much for sharing your experience and valuable advice with us.
So today's we've learned that English communication skills are essential for building confidence, working professionally, and competing successfully in today's global career market. We hope this interview inspire all students to continue improving their English communication skill and preparing themselves for future opportunities. Thank you so much for watching and